Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a leg and booty workout, leg and glute workout. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. You can do it. Make sure to check the description box for all of the reps and sets that I do and descriptions on how to do it. You know, the whole workout's going to be down there. You can screenshot it and take me with you to the gym. So after I warmed up and did some glute activation, here I'm just doing some conventional deadlifts just with the 45-pound bar, and then I'm going to add on the weight and do conventional deadlifts with weight on. I'm just practicing making sure the form's good, warming up my legs so I don't pull any muscles or anything. Okay, so you want to make sure you squeeze at the top, and so this set I think I was doing 115 pounds. I might have been doing 125, but I believe it was 115. I'm trying to keep my back flat so I don't hurt my back or pull any muscles or anything, so I'm keeping it straight and really just pressing up through my legs. So next exercise, this is like one of my favorite supersets for the quads. I'm doing Bulgarian split squats. Just grab any bench or chair or anything, put your back leg up, grab some weights or barbell, or if you don't want to use weights, you're a beginner, you don't have to use weights. I'm doing some reps like this, and then I'm going to drop the weights, and then I'm just going to do like plyo jumps to burn out the quad, and it's crazy good. So I complete all the weighted reps for one leg, and then I do all the jumping reps for that same leg, and then do the weights and the jumps for the other leg, and that's one set. So on these jumps, you really want to make sure you go down really far to get that full stretch, that full range of motion, and then burst up and jump right up through your quad, through your leg. These will kill you in the best way. They will hurt so good. So then I'm moving right into RDLs, straight leg deadlifts, and I'm just using a very light weight here. You want to make sure that you don't completely lock out your knee because that can be dangerous. You want to have the slightest bend in your knee and make sure your back stays straight. So moving right along, I am doing pause squats with a lighter weight. I think I'm doing 60 or 70 pounds here. So I'm doing a much lighter weight because I want to make sure I can hold the pause at the bottom for 3 Mississippis. My legs were definitely tired here, so I might not have been holding for the whole entire time, but you want to go down, hold for 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and then come back up. Make sure when you're coming back up, you're really squeezing through those glutes to complete the exercise, complete the movement, and really feel that burn. Okay, so moving right along, we're moving right into the burnout. It's the last part of the workout. I promise you can do it. You're almost there. I'm doing this movement. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but you can look down below and you can see how many reps and sets I'm doing. And then I'm moving into hamstring Swiss ball curls, and you can really feel the burn with this. And then I'm moving right into the other leg, doing the Swiss ball curls again, stretching, and you are all done. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to let me know if you try this out, what you think of it, what you want to see in future videos. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe. You click that bell next to the subscription button so you can be notified when I upload a new workout.